You may get a question in your visa interview. What if you got a job in the US? Now, this is a very tricky one. Many students would love the opportunity of working in the US. However, your visa may be predicated on how you answer this appropriately. One way to address that question is, absolutely, during my OPT period, I intend to work in the US so that I can apply the skills that I've learned in my education and have the practical knowledge. So when I do go back to India and find my full-term employment, I'll be able to excel in applying those skills. Perfect response. What you've done, you've taken that question and said, yes, you absolutely intend to take advantage of that OPT period. Perfectly fine to work in the US during the OPT period. You've introduced something and said, I will work during OPT, but then I'll go back to my home country and seek that eventual full-time employment. It's a great response. You've encapsulated it really well, and essentially you have deferred that curveball that's come your way.